MOKEMOKE is a mōteatea and a journey throughout Tauranga Moana, reciting marae, tupuna and sites of significance. Join us as we learn this local waiata and explore our rohe, mai ngā kuri a whare ki te tū.
Kia hiwara, Pōtu whakaneke ra iriri ra irungo. Pōtu tamaire ra iriri ra irungo. Pōtu o tarahaua ra iriri ra irungo. Pōtu o ue ra iriri ra irungo. Pōtu takiwa o manu ra tutai te rangi ra iriri ra irungo. Ia ha ha.
Maungatapu is the principal power site of Ngati here. We are made up of 15 sub-hapu whānau groups. Ko Ngati he, ko Ngati hoko, ko Ngati rehu, ko Ngati henua, ko Ngati whare, ko Ngati rūrea, ko Ngati whainua, ko Ngati rākai, ko te apiti tū, ko te whānau whero, ko Ngati tōmoana, ko Ngati henemotu, ko Ngati hāmua, ko Ngati te hainga, ko Ngati rāhui. Ngati he are the direct descendants of the union of Wahanui and Huiro who whakapapa to various lines of mātātua. Ngati he are also waitaha of Te Arawa as uri of Kumara Māua and Hikapa. We acknowledge all strands of our heritage, but predominantly Ngai te Rangi and Waitaha. It is from our Waitaha whakapapa that the name Maungatapu is derived. Maungatapu is the name of the peninsula and is in reference to Te Kiwaki Ōmanu, which is the highest point in the Maungatapu area and was once the site of tuahu, ceremonial enclosure, used by tohonga for rites such as divination and ritual practices. The area where the marae presently stands, as well as the beach in front of it, is called Ōpōpiti. The pā has been in this location for the past 122 years, when Wairakiwa, our wharekuia, was opened. Before this, our marae was a large kai garden and shipping port, hosting many ships in the early 1800s. During this time of trade, there were two pā in the vicinity, Te Pā o Te Ariki, where the Rangataua club rooms are now located, and Te Maire, near to where the All Saints Anglican Church is. There were two whare at Te Pā o Te Ariki, one reserved for the tohunga nuka, and the other belonging to Te Tūtahi. The whare at Te Maire was Te Hono. She was unfortunately burnt to the ground, and it was believed to be a cursed whare. This was due to the large number of deaths from foreign illnesses and diseases. As a result of this, the pā was shifted and the new whare built to where we are today. There are 5 whare on our marae. Ko Wairakiwa, our whare tupuna. Ko te ao tā kāwhaki, the wharekai, whom we descend from as the wife of Tamapahore. Ko Ōpōpiti, te kohanga reo. Ko te rangatahi, the shed behind the wharekai. This also used to be our old kohanga building. And te rangi Marae, the whare whakamoemiti o ngā mōrehu o Tauranga Moana. The kōrero for our wharenui is unique. Our wharenui is a woman, ko Wairakiwa, ko ia te māma o Muruwai, o Tōroa. She was a tohunga, and the whare for her is named as a representation of the mana that she held. The kōruru on the whare is symbolic of her famous kōrero. Te enei niho niho tū tākina nene whā. Behold my gaze, of which shall love you. The meaning behind this is actually about the look of a woman. Do as her eyes say. Will you be coming to dinner, or will I have you for dinner? As one can gauge, Maungatapu has a strong wahine influence in our whakapapa, and this remains evident today. Nō reira, I will finish my kōrero by saying some words that Awanui Black left us. Ko au ko Ngati he, te peka tī toki e kore e whate.